Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. 4G trail camera with live streaming from Camovue. You can buy this camera from reolink.com, link below at the description. We have a 4K Ultra HD resolution, starlight night vision, person, vehicle and animal detection with fast trigger speed. Wide 90 degrees detection range, built-in GPS for accurate location, built-in temp and humidity sensor with invisible IR LEDs. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. SIM card. Let's see what we have at this envelope. Manual. And the SIM card. Here you can connect the two antennas. I like the antennas. And another one here. Adjustable antennas. Here it is the lens, 4K 8 megapixel Ultra HD with advanced 1/1.8 inch sensor and f1.6 aperture, provides starlight night vision and delivering crisp images in low light. And with its ultra fast 0.2 second trigger time and a wide 90 degrees detection angle up to 20 meters, you'll never miss a crucial moment in the wild. Here we have the IR LEDs for the night vision, the CDS and test indicator here, the microphone, this tiny hole, and another tiny hole here. It is the temperature and humidity sensor. Here it is the PIR sensor with its ultra fast 0.2 second trigger time and a wide 90 degrees detection angle up to 20 meters. You'll never miss a crucial moment in the wild. Here at the bottom we have the speaker. You can mount a tripod here at this screw, very convenient. And the USB Type-C here, remove this cover. You can connect the cable and power on the camera, or you can even charge it. Seal it very well. The port is built for every outdoor scenario, from hunting and wildlife observation to ranches and home security. With IP67 waterproofing, it thrives in harsh environments. At the back we can see we have another hole for a tripod, and of course you can install in this strap. Very secure strap, heavy duty, 1.5 meters, very convenient. Definitely it can fit at any tree. Install the strap here and it is very secure. Yep. But first, you need to insert the Talon Pro. So easy. And of course you need batteries to turn it on. To insert the batteries, just pull this lever and close again. It is very easy. Power your Talon Pro with 10 AA batteries, or combine a rechargeable battery with a solar panel for continuous hassle-free operation. There's the rechargeable battery. The model BP10 rating 7.2 volt, 42.48 watt hours, capacity 6000 mAh, charging voltage 5 to 9 volt. Wow, it is huge. There's the Type-C port. Included we have the cable. Type A to Type-C, 1 meter the length. Plug in and charge it. And to charge this battery I will use a 5 volt power adapter. Yellow indicator, that means it's charging. When goes to green, it's fully charged. Now before fully charge this battery, I will show you how you can install this battery at the Talon Pro. It is very easy. If you don't want to use 10 2A batteries, pull this lever and you can remove the adapter. There's the adapter for the AA batteries. And to insert the rechargeable battery, pull this lever, the connection here and the connection here, press and it locks. So easy. And if you want to have unlimited power, you need a solar panel. All the accessories for this Talon Pro you can find out at reolink.com. Silicone rubber around, seal it very well, no water will go inside and damage this unit. And of course here we need to install a micro SD card. There is the slot, supports up to 256 GB, so you can store all your existing photos and videos locally and never miss a moment. Or you can choose Camovue Cloud service, provides unlimited online access to your photos and videos, enabling seamless viewing and downloading at any time. And it locks. And of course we have the SIM card slot, nano SIM card slot. The included SIM card auto selects the strongest 4G network, ensuring your camera stays online. Insert the SIM card, very easy. Here we have the power and the signal indicator, the test and reset button, and the power button, off and on. Some informations about the indicators. And of course we can use this Type-C port, as I mentioned. Plug in. And again, we can see yellow indicator, that means is charging the battery. No need to remove the battery if you want to charge it. Let's set up the Talon Pro using the Camovue app. Download from Play Store or App Store. Turning on. Whether you are adjusting settings or checking the camera, everything can be done remotely without leaving your hunting spot.
Welcome to Camovue. Please start the Camovue app and scan the QR code on the camera.
Add the device, and we need to scan the QR code.
Please start the Camovue app and scan the QR code on the camera.
Already done that. Next. Okay, perfect. Some informations. Next. Already done that. We can see the signal, it is solid on. Successfully added the device to this account. Done. We need to select the region and then select the plan. Free, standard, you can see the prices. Free for now, subscribe, check out.
Network connection succeeded.
There's the device. It doesn't take no more than 1 minute to add your new device. Now at the main screen you can pause and resume the live streaming, mute, unmute the speaker, take a screenshot, save it to phone album and you can share. you can start recording. What are you seeing at this moment? Stop recording and save it to phone album, and you can share. You can choose clear or fluent resolution. Clear, it is the highest resolution. And you can go at full screen. Photo. And here you can watch some of the photos was taken after a motion was detected. There it is. And at the photo we can see some informations about the temperature, Fahrenheit and degrees Celsius, the humidity, the battery percentage, and the date and the hour. And you can save the image or share. And other settings, you can enable the power saving mode, will extend the battery life, but temporarily disable lives. You reduce device sync frequency and delay configuration updates. Not for me. Motion detection, you can enable or disable the motion detection. Sensitivity, you can choose low, medium or high. Detection interval, immediately or 10, 20, 30 seconds, 1, 5, 10 or 30 minutes or 1 hour. Detection schedule, detection type, you can choose for person, vehicle, animal or other. And adjust, of course, erase all, select all, and you can choose the days of the week and the hour. Motion capture, disable or enable camera images, number of snapshots, 1, 2 or 3, camera recording, video length 10, 15 or 30 seconds the maximum. Push notifications, disable, enable, the watermark the same, infrared lights, adjust, schedule snapshots, photograph on schedule, interval, 30 minutes, 1, 2, 4, 8, 12 or 14 hours. Date and time and delete the device. Camera 1, you can choose different plans, change, it is your choice, what do you want to do. Battery type, you can choose the rechargeable, AA alkaline, AA NIMH, AA non-rechargeable Li or others. Signal 4G, the temperature and the humidity. Storage, you can format the storage. Device location, enable or disable the GPS. Firmware version, AI version and the hardware version. Map, and here you can see the exact location of your device. You can just tap and hold at the screen and then add marker for which animal you want. I like it. Give a name and confirm. Gallery. Here you can view all the footage, photos and videos. Device name you can choose. Detection type. Person, vehicle or animal. And done. Select the date. You can watch a video, unmute, mute the speaker full screen, adjust, and of course again you can download and you can share. Is a future-rich 4K 4G LTE trail camera designed for wildlife monitoring, hunting and remote security applications. Its advanced features, including AI-powered species recognition, starlight night vision, anti-theft GPS and remote management capabilities, make it a versatile tool for outdoor enthusiasts and professionals alike. The camera's ability to identify up to 12 animal species Combine it with its fast 0.2 seconds shutter speed and wide 90 degrees field of view, ensures you won't miss any important moments in the wild. Features like built-in GPS, temperature and humidity sensors, and flexible power options including support for solar charging, making it a versatile tool for a variety of outdoor applications. Combine it with a variety of accessories like the security box and cable lock you can find online, and you have the perfect wildlife monitoring device. And that concludes our review of the Camovue Talon Pro. With native 4K Ultra HD resolution, starlight night vision and 4G LTE connectivity, it offers a comprehensive solution for wildlife monitoring and outdoor surveillance. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future reviews and tips. Have you tried? Share your experience in the comments below. I'd love to hear how it works for you. If you're interested in picking up, I've left a link in the description below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.